Welcome to our channel. Today our sketch is of a blueberry. Take out your black marker. Start by drawing a circle. The center calyx. Draw another circle. The center calyx. Drawing the third circle. The center calyx. Let's draw the leaves. The second leaf. The simple pattern is now complete. Let's start stroking and bolding. Done, great. Now let's get some color. Purple. Rose. Yellow. Light purple. Rose. Yellow. Deep purple. Rose. Yellow. Dark green. Green. Light green. Olive yellow. Our work is done. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.